Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HubSpot Service Hub AI to automate case follow-up. To verify HubSpot Service Hub AI to automate case follow-ups, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Service Hub dashboard. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Automation tab. Within the Automation section, select Workflows. Click on the Create Workflow button to initiate a new automation process. Choose the option for a from-scratch workflow. Select the Start from Scratch button and identify whether you'll use a contact-based, company-based, or ticket-based workflow. Since case follow-ups pertain to issues raised by customers, select the ticket-based workflow option. Next, you will need to configure your workflow triggers. Click on the Set Enrollment Triggers button. Add a condition for when a ticket is created or when a ticket status changes. Consider using filters to refine when the workflow should be triggered. Once you've set your triggers, click Done to save your selections. Now, it's time to add actions for your follow-up automation. Click the plus button to add a new action. From the action menu, choose Send Internal Email Notification or Send External Email. If selecting Send External Email, either create a new email template or choose from existing ones. Personalize the email content to ensure it addresses the concern raised by the customer. After you've set your email actions, consider adding a delay for follow-up timing. Click the plus button again and select Delay. Set the duration of the delay according to your file. To enhance your automation, consider adding a task reminder for the support team. Select Create Task from the Action menu. Fill in the task details, including a due date and priority level. Continue reviewing the workflow actions you've set up, ensuring they align with your case follow-up goals. Once satisfied with your automation flow, click on the Review button. In the Review section, carefully check all settings and actions for accuracy. Ensure that all triggers, emails, and task reminders are correctly. When everything looks good, activate the workflow by toggling the activation switch. Monitor the performance of your automated follow-ups regularly. Check ticket statuses and customer responses to refine your workflow as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.